Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So today I'm going to take a request from this wonderful subscriber right here, and I'm going to show you how to draw Gru from the new Minions movie, The Rise of Gru. So please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all of that really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, so to start our drawing, I'm going to do a nose. So let's do a bit of a pointy shape. And we're going to do a little nostril right here. And next, I'm going to do an eye. So I'm going to have it like half open. So I did a line straight across there, and then I did like half a circle there. And over on this side, we can see the eye a little bit, but the nose is going to be blocking it. But we can see a bit, so we can do that line and that half circle. And we can do a little bit more of the upper eye here. You can see a bit of eyelid. So I just have the eyelid drawn pretty lightly. And let's see, let's do the inside of the eye. So I'm going to put a curved line right there and one right here. And then I'm going to put a little circle right here and over here as well. And then another little curved line and color in the middle all dark. And same with the other eye. Okay, so now up top of the eyelid area, let's do some eyebrows. So we're going to do a little line and kind of make it a little bit thick. And we can do the same on the other side too. So a bit of a thick line, and it's thickest at the closest to the middle of the face. All right. So next, let's do a smile. Well, sort of a little smile, kind of like a little smirk, like that. So we kind of have like a straight line, but it comes up a little itty bitty bit on both ends. And now we can do the shape of the face. So I'm kind of lightly sketching that out. It's a real rounded shape. Bit of a wide face. And I'm going to start on this upper part and bring it on down. And this is going to curve up to meet this line. And then over here meets this line here. All right, so let's add some hair. Here on the side of the face, I'm going upward and bringing that over this way. And then he parts his hair kind of on the side right here. So we're going in right there, and then we're gonna come on out again. And bring that down a little bit. Kind of have like a little chunk of hair right there. And we can put an ear on the side as well. So it's going to be a really rounded shaped ear. And we can give the inside of the ear a couple little funny lines. And I'm going to color in the hair after, when we're done all our drawing. So next, let's do the scarf. So we're going to do a little bit of a funny, silly squiggle line right there. And we can kind of do the same over here. And then we can do a curve so that those parts meet. And we can do a line coming downward and comes out a little bit and then comes all the way up again. And we can do a few more of these lines, these squiggle kind of lines. but they're not all the exact same. So see, the closer we got to this side, it kind of, the lines kind of changed from going this direction to going in this kind of direction. And right here, we can kind of give them a little bit of a wave as well. So it just helps to make the scarf look a little bit more realistic, I guess. And let's see, we can bring this line down a bit. And over here, let's do a shoulder. And it's a little bit of a pointy shoulder. And then come on down this way. And come inward a bit. We got a bit of a pointy elbow. And we can bring this line down here. And right here, I'm going to do a line, but it's going to be kind of curving and kind of slanting downward a bit. And then I'll extend this line up here. And then I can do another little line right there. And we can do a button, a little circle for a button. And let's do a little line here. We've got like a little pocket in his coat. And we can do a shirt underneath the coat. So it's kind of following that same curve of the fabric of the coat. And then let's do some legs. So we're slanting downward and coming on down. And right here, we can come inward a bit and then come on down. And we're going to do a line coming down this way. It's got some really itty bitty thin legs. All right, so we got 2 legs here. We've got our scarf, the coat. I'm gonna put a little line right here for the inside of the white shirt. And now folks, we're ready to add some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!